Setter calling for help there. And that sails out of bounds. It's set point now for the Blizzard, 24-14. Here's DeGrasse. Played up from Sansome. Kill at the net. Sanger was all over it and keeps her team's hopes alive in this first set. They have a lot of work to do. Down by 9. One error here will hand the win to Bedford. And Sanger at the net cannot get that back over, and that's going to end the first set. So the Blizzard take it 25-15. They are up 1-0 in the best of 3. And we will be right back here on Bell Alliance TV1 for more coverage from the 2016 Atlantic 14 and under Girls Volleyball Championships. Hello and welcome back to Halifax, Nova Scotia. Coming to you live from the Canada Game Centre for the 2016 Atlantic 14 and under Girls Volleyball Championships. This is the second set between the Bedford Blizzard and Grand Falls Riverblast. And the Blizzard took that first set by a score of 25-15. And it's a strong start for them in the second. Booming serve there coming from number 26, Dockendorf. Another big serve there, and the swing and miss from Angela Shorts. That was a tough play. It would have been close on the line. However, Linesman rules that it is in. Dockendorf. Another deep serve. Free coming up for Bedford. And back again. Set from Dockendorf. Smart play there at the net. That was Stanhope rolling it over and catching a piece of the block on the other side. And it's 3-0. This is the last game of today's slate here on Bell Alliance TV1, but we'll be back again early tomorrow morning. 7:30 start time at the 2016 Atlantic 14 and under girls volleyball championships. Dockendorf. Serve for 3 straight. Another strong one from back there. Pushes it over. I don't think she meant to do that, but it ends up working out. The bump there. Going right over the net and landing in bounds on the other side. And it's 5-0 now. Great serves from Dockendorf. She hasn't really taken much off that. And she's been placing them perfectly. And that set, a pass I should say, from Stanhope. Never got to the setter, Verstedge. And it's Bedford point. There's a rotational issue for Grand Falls, says the referee. Looks like they figured it out now. 6-1. Verstedge, great serve, and another point for Bedford. Verstedge puts that one into the nets. Abby Grucci serving for the Riverblast now. And it's going to be an ace for Grucci. Verstedge couldn't quite handle that serve and sent the pass off wide right. What a shot there from Stanhope. Well off the net. And it went right off a defender for Grand Falls. 8-3. Bedford leads. It's an ace. Dockendorf laid into that one. Targeted Sansome and she wasn't able to handle it. And it's another service error from Grand Falls. This time Angela Short. What a serve from Dockendorf. Low and tight, just caught a bit of the net. It's another ace for Bedford. the setter, Peyton. Tried to dish that off to Sanger. Sanger wasn't able to handle it, and it's going to be timeout called by Grand Falls. 12-3 is the score at the timeouts. Visit bellalliant.ca/TV1 for the webcast and TV schedule, as well as on-demand content. You can also get information on live events available only to Bell Alliant fiber optic customers in Atlantic Canada on Channel 1 and 401. Bell Alliant, there's more to love with fiber optic. As we prepare for the second set to resume, Riverblast, I think fatigue really setting in for them. Both teams played a lot of games today as well as yesterday. This is the last matchup on the slate. The late start here. I think the fatigue is caught up to both teams a little bit right now. Riverblast are not showing the same aggression that we saw earlier. Setter calling for help from Bedford. Pushes it over at the net, tipped over. Now it's Flynn. Back to Stanhope. Stanhope is there. Good job from Peyton saving that one. The tip over from Bedford, and single-handedly this rally is kept alive by Verstedge. Back again, Peyton. And miscue at the net from Sanger. Another point going the Blizzards' way, 13-3. Lead is climbing. That one was going well out, but it was played up regardless. There's Dockendorf. To the back of the court. Swung at it by Sansom. And the Blizzard continue to rally now. Dockendorf now serving, and that one goes off Sansom. Looked like it was going out. No one calling for it. Or waving her off, I should say, on the Riverblast side. And it's going to be another serve-receive error, and there's another ace for Dockendorf of the Blizzard. (16-3) is your score. Heads up play, leaving that one alone from Grand Falls. And that was number 8, Angela Short, with the kill there. Bedford defense not able to handle that one. Flynn dishes that one over. And another Bedford error. Makes it 16-6. Peyton, underhand serve. Flynn dumps it over, and it goes off. A Grand Falls defender. (17-6) now is your score. Peyton Shoots it up to the setter. Sanger all over that one. And tipped over from Bernard. Dished out by Dockendorf. And Sanger using her height advantage once again there. Trying to bring her team back into this. And it's a missed serve from Grand Falls. Kenny now serving for Bedford. And it's an ace for the Blizzard, running their lead to 12, 19-7. A high floater works again from Kenny. And the Blizzard are closing in on the win now. Setter called off for the Blizzard. Dumped over from Dockendorf and now at the net. Double hit on Sansum. Short, long serve. Verstedge, great pass out to Dockendorf. She's been awesome in this game. Great serve from Kenny. Sent that one off Sansum. And it's 23-7. That one goes off Peyton. And it's game point, 24-7. The Blizzard can close it out with a point right here. And it's going to go back to Grand Falls. Now serving is Sanger, and Sanger puts it into the net. And that's going to be it for this game. The Bedford Blizzard win the second set, 25-8, and handedly top the Grand Falls Riverblast. And that's also going to do it for our coverage here on Saturday's edition of the 2016 Atlantic 14 and under Girls Volleyball Championships. We will be here bright and early tomorrow. The first game here on Bell Online TV1 is scheduled for 7:45, and it's going to be between the Bedford Blizzard Whites versus the Richmond Rise. Thank you for tuning in all day, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow here on Bell Alliance TV1.